Hey everybody, Timmy Flyers guy here, reminding you to check out Flyers Minor League Report. Flyers Minor League Report is a pregame show about the Lehigh Valley Phantoms and the Reading Royals. I give you in-depth analysis of your Lehigh Valley Phantoms and your Reading Royals. And I also give some words of wisdom on game day. So if you're in the mood for a good pregame show that covers the Lehigh Valley Phantoms, the Reading Royals, and sometimes both, then check out Flyers Minor League Report. Hey everybody, it's me, Timmy Flyers guy, and welcome to the Orange, Black, and Purple pregame report. I'm your host, Timmy Flyers guy. All three teams will be in action: the Philadelphia Flyers, the Lehigh Valley Phantoms, and the Reading Royals. When we last left off, the Philadelphia Flyers faced off against the Florida Panthers. The Flyers didn't get the scoring started until the second period, where Ryan Paling got the first goal for the Flyers in that game. Florida was able to tie it up, and the score stayed tied going into the third period until there was 22 seconds left in the third period. Gordon Hathaway gave the Flyers a 2-1 lead, and it was the eventual 2-1 win over the Florida Panthers, the Flyers' second win against the Florida Panthers this season. It was a clutch win for the Philadelphia Flyers as they beat the Florida Panthers 2-1. Tonight the Flyers will be in action. Tonight the Flyers will be in action as they take on the Tampa Bay Lightning for the third time this season. In their last meeting, the Flyers got a 6-2 victory over the Tampa Bay Lightning. Tonight the Flyers will be looking to try to get their second win against Tampa this season. Some new additions for the Philadelphia Flyers. They acquired Denis Garanov from the Nashville Predators as they traded Wayne Allison for Denis Garanov. Also, the Flyers also acquired Eric Johnson from the Buffalo Sabres. So we got a new look team, a new defenseman, two new defensemen that should be in the lineup, probably will be in the lineup tonight. Perfect timing, considering that Nick Seeler won't be in the lineup. It was good that they picked those two guys up. They also got Ryan Johansson, but they quickly sent him down to the Lehigh Valley Phantoms. I thought it was a good trade at first, but then I realized he was just waiver bait. So tonight the Flyers will face off against the Tampa Bay Lightning for the third time this season. The Lehigh Valley Phantoms were in action last night as they took on the three Scranton Penguins. It was a 2-1 loss for the Lehigh Valley Phantoms. Brett Gardner got the only goal for the Lehigh Valley Phantoms in a 2-1 loss to the three Scranton Penguins. The Phantoms will face off once again against the Wilkes-Barre Scranton Penguins. Phantoms will be looking to get some payback on Wilkes-Barre tonight. Also, the Reading Royals were in action last night as they faced off against the Norfolk Admirals. It was a 5-4 Royals overtime win over the Norfolk Admirals. The goal scorers in that game for the Royals were Tag Bertuzzi, Shane Seller, Mason Melvin, Ryan Cox, and Dijon Mingo, who got the overtime game-winning goal for the Reading Royals. Tonight, the Royals will be in Norfolk as they face off against the Norfolk Admirals tonight. I'm Timmy Flowers Guy, and this has been the Orange, Black, and Purple pregame report. Let's go Flyers, let's go Phantoms, and let's go Royals.